Welcome back. In this video, we're going to show you how to install a T-Junction in a new or existing build when constructing a drywall. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to build a basic Siniat wall, which we cover in the first video of this series called How to Build a Basic Siniat Drywall. If you haven't yet viewed this how-to video, do so before attempting to build a wall with a T-Junction. Before you begin, it is important to have design and drawing specifications, as this will be your guideline for building the structure. Remember to always wear the correct PPE and use the correct tools. So where do I need to install a T-Junction, you ask? Great question. The possibility of a T-Junction in a drywall can be found where there is two rooms sharing a wall. If your T-Junction is for a new installation, follow these steps. Measure and mark the positions of the wall and the abutting T-Junction wall using a measuring tape, a chalk line, a builder's square and a marker. Install the bottom and top track to the required length of both walls. Insert the studs as per the first video of the Siniat how-to series. Now, install a stud for the abutting wall at the position that you measured and marked off. Install the drywall studs to allow fixing of plasterboard on either side of the T-Junction. And now you're clad as per normal. As you can see, we left a bit of space between the two studs so that the board can slide in. In the case of an existing Siniat drywall, the process is slightly different. Before you begin, you need to plan around any existing studs and services like pipes, plumbing or electrical wires. If you're not sure where the studs have been installed, then you will need a stud finder to assist in finding the existing studs. If the T-Junction falls on an existing stud, then fix the abutting T-Junction wall at the existing stud without cutting the Siniat board. Install the drywall floor and top track and studs to allow the fixing of the plasterboard on either side of the T-Junction. Once you have done this, clad as per normal. If the T-Junction falls where there is no stud, measure and mark the position of the abutting wall. Fix the floor and top track of the abutting wall. Because there is no stud on the pre-existing wall, we will need something to fix the abutting stud onto the wall. For that reason, we will use a butterfly plug. And then What I've just done, I've pre-drilled the position for my butterfly plugs. And now you can finish the installation and do cladding as per normal. There you go. It is not difficult at all to install a T-junction. All you need to do now is finish your wall. For the corner, you need to use fiber tape to reinforce the joint. And also, you need to plaster one wall at a time, meaning you plaster this wall, let it dry, and then plaster this wall. In this video, we have mainly dealt with installing a T-junction in a Siniat drywall. It is also possible to install a Siniat T-junction in a brick and mortar or other steel frame installation. In those cases, it is just a matter of fixing the abutting wall with the correct tools and fixings. If you need to build a 90-degree corner using the Siniat drywall system, your approach would be the same as the steps I mentioned. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.